Hello and welcome to the 5th HTML5 tutorial with Red Tutorials. Today we are going to be doing fun stuff with fonts. No, seriously. If we have a look at our fonts from the cheese thing we did last, it's all reasonably boring, same font. Cheese. Cheese is an important food, I like cheese. It's all in Times New Roman and it's black and it's about the same size. Let's go and change those defaults. So first of all, we're going to clear the body. Body's going to be clear. Clear the body because we don't need this anymore. We're also going to clear most of the title, and our title's going to be liches. Today we're going to be writing about undead sorcerers. Liches. Now, got the title, got the head. We're now in the body. Let's write in the body. We start by H1. We want to, in our header 1, we want to have H1. H1. Inside here, we're gonna write liches. That's L-I. Liches. And here. Now, if we run, we see that it looks practically the same as our cheese. I said this tutorial was going to be about glamming things up a little. That's exactly what we're about to do right now. And any text tag, that could be P, it could be strong, it could be H1, it could be H6, it could be title. Anything, well, actually, I don't think I will title. It doesn't show anything. And each text tags have a property. It's called style. Yep, we're about to put some style into this thing. Style equals something or other. Now, style basically has a property that you can set. You can set it to whatever the defaults are with CSS, cascading style sheets. We can turn it into more, less default things, like our fonts and stuff. So our H1, we're going to have a style. Now, styles will start with color. Now, we can, each style has a property. Color, we're going to call it green. Color green. Nice! See? Green. Bit nicer than the boring old black. We can also add more styles, but we'll first start by adding some P tags about liches. Now, P and then P and then P. P, P, P. So, we're going to have another, we're going to write liches. Liches are powerful undead sorcerers who have sought eternal life. They seek eternal life. They are generally evil and often cast black magic. Liches are to be avoided if you want to stay alive, unless you have some way of disposing liches, like holy water. Okay. Like holy water. Run. Okay, liches. Liches are powerful undead sorcerers who have seeked eternal life. They generate evil, often cast black magic. They are to be avoided if you want to stay alive. Usually you have some way of disposing liches like holy water. Okay, that's nice. Let's put some style into this text. Yep, we definitely need some style. Okay, look, in our paragraph tab, we're going to add some style. We're going to color this red. So what are we going to do? Color, colon, what property? Red. Doesn't have to be capital, but I make it capital anyway. And then we want to add another property. Say we want to make this one a bit smaller. We're going to use another style. If we would do this, we put a colon. The quotations need to be extended. And here we also want to say that font size, I don't know, 13px, pixels, not pt, points. HTML5, unlike normal processes like Word or OpenOffice or WordPad, use pixels, not points. This is interesting, because I don't know, that's because the points come from the printing press age, which I guess we're not in anymore, but still think that Microsoft Office still use it, and they're not from the printing press age. But anyway, because they're like points on the ink things and stuff. So we're going to have a style red, and our font size is going to be 13 pixels. Let's run this. Yep, now it's red. and now it's also in Times New Roman. But it's still Times New Roman. We might be getting a bit bored of this font. Right, that's why we have a new trick up our sleeve. We're gonna have another P and then have another slash P. We're going to this is a image of lich. Let's put some style onto this. Style. Okay, what style should we have? What style? We need to put more. This one's going to have all 3 style attributes that we're going to use so far. All 3 style attributes. It's going to have color. Color blue. Look at this one. Then semicolon. Font size 13px. And then another semicolon. This is syntax, and all that semicolons fails. Another semicolon is basically like saying separating the clauses, like commas. And color blue, font size 13 pixels, and then we're gonna need another thing called. Then we're gonna need another thing. This is called font verdant. I think this needs to be capitalized. I might have spelled it wrong. Okay. I still haven't ended my quotation. No wonder why things are looking a bit weird here. It was all brown. That was incorrect. This is an image of a lich. Okay, and then there's no image of a lich. We're going to put the image of a lich soon. Let me go and see what's going on with the font. Oh wait, I know, I've just remembered. It's font family. Font family. Now that's CSS. Yeah, font family Verdana. Looks more modern. I actually like Verdana. It's, well, I find it nicer than the Times New Roman. And this is an image of a lich. Now, as I promised you, in almost all the tutorials after that, when we learned how to image, we're going to image. Yep, we're definitely going to image. And we're going to get it source. What do? We press equals. That's a property. Source is a property. And then we're going to get an image. Let's not get a nice image of a lich. Actually, maybe an evil image of a lich. Or a not very nice image of a lich. Because liches aren't very nice. Okay, this dude looks good. Let's get this dude. We're going to copy the image location. Over here. We can put the image source in here. Yep. Come on then. Come on. Come on. Come on. We put it in there, and then we're going to run this. This is an image of a lich. Skull hat. Skull face. Nice spell book. Dagger and staff. Interesting. Very interesting. Liches. Now let's read this out. Liches. Liches are powerful undead sorcerers who have seeked eternal life. They are generally evil and cast black magic. Liches are to be avoided if you want to stay alive, unless you have some way of exposing liches, like holy water. This is an image of a lich. Ooh, scary. Scary stuff. Liches. I'm going to bring in the holy water next time. Okay. Well, we've seen this, and now we're going to do our favorite thing to do, our recap. Okay. All text elements, except the title, can have properties. I have 3 main properties. Color, font size, font family. Now, color, and what you do to use the property, you put it in quotations, you set the color, and then colon green. Now, if you've got quite a few colors, like you can use brown, you can use green, you can use, what's the color I haven't used? Gray, I think. And then you can also add font size, run in pixels, not points, don't get them confused. And you can also change the font family out of the font families that come with it, like Verdana, Times New Roman, Courier New. And, yeah, image. Well, thank you for watching, and, we'll come back next time. We'll do some more fun stuff with HTML. And if you have any questions, just comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But until next time, this is Rad Tutorials signing out. Off.